Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to kindergarten. I am Miss Shoddy, and I am so excited that I get to be your teacher for this year. Now, right now, school is a little different than how you probably remember it last year. Instead of coming to school each day to learn, we're going to learn at our homes. And instead of seeing our friends at school, we're going to see our friends through the computer at their homes. Now, this sounds very different, but I promise you it's still going to be fun. Now, just like always, I want to tell you a little bit about me, and I want to learn a lot about you. Okay? So, I'm Miss Shoddy. You'll get to see me every day, just like if we were at school. My favorite color is orange. What's your favorite color? Now, one of my favorite snacks to eat is peanut butter crackers. I could eat them every single day. What's your favorite snack? Maybe when we get back to school, we'll have snack time again and you can bring it for the whole class. Now, another thing that I want to tell you about and I want to know from you are some of your favorite things to do. Some of my favorite things to do when I'm not at school teaching you is I love to play sports, and one of my favorites to play is softball. And you'll also see on my screen, look at this. Do you see all these cows? I love hanging out with my cows and feeding them and moving them, checking them at pastures, things like that. What are some things that you do for fun? Okay, now it's your turn. I want to learn about you. So, you're going to log into your Seesaw account, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, remember, if you need help logging on, ask your parents. They're going to know exactly what to do. When you get on, you're going to look for the light bulb. I see the light bulb right here. This is our activities. You're going to click on the light bulb, and you're going to see this one right here. It's our introduction video. Your directions are here. You can also listen to the directions. You'll hear my voice telling you what to do. You have to tell me your name. You have to tell me your favorite color. You have to tell me your favorite snack. And you have to show me or tell me one of your favorite things to do. But the really cool thing about this, boys and girls, is once you submit it, once you're all done, I'm not the only one that's going to see it. The rest of your classmates can see it too, and you will be able to see all of your classmates. So, when you know your name, your favorite color, your favorite snack, and one of your favorite things to do, you're going to click on this green button with the plus sign that says Add Response. When you click on that, you want to find the big video camera. It kind of reminds me of a movie. Here's my camera if I just wanted to take a picture, but I want to take a video. So I'm going to click on the video. Okay. From there, you're going to know exactly what to do. You'll start recording, and when you're finished recording, find the green button. Remember, the green button means that's what we want. The check mark is always what we want when we're finished. Make sure you hit the green check mark. Then you can go and watch your video and meet all of your classmates. I hope that you get to meet some new friends, and I can't wait to see you soon.